Stay sexy. Welcome back. I've got some new videos lined up for you. Well, me, Nick and Stu have managed to get hold of a Mazda MX-5. So Mazda MX-5s make a great little track car. I was gifted one. I managed to get hold of one. Originally I was going to put it back on the road, but I've realised that it could be the cheapest and easiest way to get on track that we can have a little bit of fun on and do it with as little cash input as possible. So here it is. So me, Stu and Nick are going to put some money in with the idea of running it or building it over the winter time and using it for the summer next year. If we can get in earlier, we're going to give it a go. But here is this gorgeous piece of machinery. We're going to start from scratch and see how fast we can go around the local race circuits.